I want to introduce you to my teaching style. There is this quote from a book by Aldous Huxley, Brave New World, which reads, "For particulars, as everyone knows, make for virtue and happiness. Generalities are intellectually necessary evils." So what should I take from this quote? I want to introduce you to my teaching style. So basically, I have two options when it comes to teaching you. I have an option of particulars. I also have an option of generalities. Saka ndichitaura pamusoro pema-generalities. Tiri kutaura teaching method iri based on what they call rote memorization. Saka rote memorization ndiko kunonzi kukrema. Cramming. I just come to you, I tell you my methods anoshandiswa and ndokudzai kuti kremai iyi, kremai yakati. That is the teaching method which is based on generalities. This method can guarantee you at best a grade of B. Asi averagely, you actually get a C if you are lucky, if I use this method of generalities. Now, when it comes to the method of particulars, we're actually talking about learning. When we are teaching using particulars, we are teaching you how to think. We are teaching you context. Munofunga sei to arrive to the answer. And this actually requires more effort as compared to generalities. And this can guarantee an A at best. And averagely speaking, this guarantees a B. So in my instruction, I've chosen to go with particulars. That is why my lessons are achireba. That is why ndichiramba ndichingovhunza. Handisi kuda kupfuura apa kana musina kunzwisisa, because I am invested in teaching you how to think. So if we go back to Brave New World, Aldous Huxley, for particulars, as everyone knows, make for virtue and happiness. Generalities are intellectually necessary evils. So it is actually an intellectual evil kuti kudzidzisa kwangu ndikuite based on generalities. But if I base it on particulars, even though we are going to work harder than the average person, this is going to give you virtue. So I was just interested by this quote and I wanted to share it with you.